Trading time for money will never lead to true financial freedom. The average employee spends 40 plus hours per week working for a fixed income, limiting their earning potential and time to pursue other wealth-building opportunities. Robert Kiyosaki challenges the traditional notion of job security and the idea that a good job is the key to financial success. He argues that relying on a job for income keeps you trapped in the rat race, trading your time for money and limiting your earning potential. Kiyosaki encourages a mindset shift from employee to entrepreneur, where you focus on building assets and creating multiple income streams that work for you even while you sleep. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and taking control of your financial future rather than relying on an employer for your financial well-being. By adopting this millionaire mindset, you can break free from the limitations of a job and build a life of financial freedom and abundance.